In this video, we're going to solve the following exponential growth word problem. So a town has a population of 8,400 in 1990. 15 years later, its population grew to 12,500. Determine the average annual growth rate of this town's population. So we know the exponential growth can be represented by the following function. Where the function f at x equals equal to a being the initial amount, the initial population, times 1, plus r being our growth rate, and x is the number of growth periods. F at x will be our final amount, so our final population after the number of growth periods indicated. We're going to substitute into this formula over here all the values that we are given. So we know that the final amount that we're talking about, so the population grew to 12,500, so that's the final. Tells us the initial in 1990 was 8,400, so we sub that in there. Tells us we don't know our growth rate, so it's r, so we leave it as r because we're unsure of what it is. And then it tells us it's 15 years later, so that we sub it as a number of growth periods. And then we solve, so we divide 12,500 by 8,400. So we're trying to isolate r, so we're reversing operations. Once we divide that out, we get a decimal. You can leave it in fractions if you'd like and continue solving with fraction mode. Then the reverse operation of exponents is taking the roots, so we're taking the 15th root of this value. Once we do that, we get a value here. Then we're still trying to isolate r, so we're going to subtract 1 on this side. And then we end up with our r, so 0.02685404, which is the decimal value. You can change that to a percentage just by multiplying it by 100. So the average annual growth rate in this case is 0.026854 or 2.6854%. There you have it. We've solved the following problem. Just leave that there if you want to take a moment to take it fully down or take it in some more. For more solutions to word problems, please subscribe to my channel.